Hello everyone, this is Jessica D on the road, and for today's video we are going to unbox solar emergency light. And what I love about this is that very handy siya. So let us check it out. And for this item, I ordered this in Lazada. It costs around 399. That includes the shipping. So isa lang muna yung in-order ko. Maganda naman yung review niya. And naka-bubble wrap. So nakita na naman na maayos naman yung pagkaka-deliver. What I love about this is that waterproof siya. So in case na pupunta kami sa dagat or mangingisda, it is very handy. Maganda siya. Mayroon pang remote. And the reason behind this is that meron kaming isang farm sa Palawan that we are going to next year ata. Parang next year, oo. Next year kami pupunta Palawan. And that location, wala pang kuryente doon. And the best way to have light and rechargeable items is that solar. So, very handy. It is like 3-in-1 na. Pwede kang mag-charge ng phone mo or any other appliances using this one. Rechargeable siya through solar and also through electricity. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And may remote pa. So, meron siyang 3 modes, 1, 2, 3, para kung hindi no kayang, o kung hindi kailangan ng masyadong maliwanag, meron siyang pwedeng nang hinaan. Yun. Okay. So, I've ordered this, I think, 3 days nang dumating siya. I think low-bat. Kaya, i-charge muna natin siya. Okay. I-charge muna natin. Now, it is very handy. Parang gusto ko nga ulit bumili nito para magamit pa sa iba't ibang klaseng lakaran. Kasi may times na pag umaalis kami, it takes me like around 2 to 3 months bago makabalik ng bahay. So, as you can see, low-bat siya. I-charge muna natin. By the way, guys, this is very recommendable for those houses na medyo malayo or may mga pupuntahan kayong mga farming nyo or anything else na like camping. This will come very handy. Ang ganda din niya, malakas pati siya. Lalo na for emergency.
A few moments later.
Alright, na-charge na natin siya. So, let us try. So, yung unang on niya, pag on nyo, sobrang lakas talaga niya. War pa. Alright, see? Now, meron siyang mga mode. Pwede nyo siyang hinaan. Pwedeng lakasan din. And for emergencies. Also, meron siyang nag-blinky-blinky type. Yan. See? I love it. So, thank you for joining me today, guys, as we unbox solar emergency light. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for further updates. Thank you for watching, guys.